In teaming AI, 15 European companies and universities are designing the collaboration of humans and AI for the future of manufacturing. The representation of knowledge is a major building block for this collaboration. Designing this collaboration has inherent challenges. Among these challenges are the data volume in manufacturing and the maintenance of resources. Solving these challenges will benefit the use case partners of teaming AI and the manufacturing industry more generally. At the Vienna University of Economics and Business, we address these challenges with knowledge graphs, which allows us to integrate data so humans can easily interpret them. In effect, we create a digital semantic shadow for cyber-physical production systems. This integration serves as a shared mental model for all stakeholders and therefore eases coordination among them. This is not limited to stakeholders, however, but also includes the cooperation between the stakeholders and AI agents, which is a crucial component of our research and the teaming AI project in general. The semantic shadow is populated from the various data sources into a knowledge graph and continuously updated, and importantly used by the teaming engine. The teaming engine uses the knowledge graph to coordinate the stakeholders and allows efficient collaboration between human stakeholders and AI agents.